Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina. Today we are going to study a very important topic of grammar, that is articles. So you all are very familiar to articles, but we will learn some more new concepts in these articles. Let's start with the definition of the articles. So what is an article? Articles are words that tell us whether we are referring to a particular person or thing or a general one. Okay? So articles, what are articles? That they are the words which tell us that whether we are referring to a particular person or thing or we are referring to a general person or thing. Okay? If we are referring to a particular one or to a general one, then we know that these articles are of two types. They are indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles are a and n. So a and n are indefinite articles and they are used with singular countable nouns. And our definite article, which is the, it is used with a particular thing. It could be used for countable as well as uncountable nouns. It is also used for plural nouns. Now let's look at its uses. Article A is used with consonant sounds. So we know which are the consonant sounds. Okay, so I'm not talking about the letter. Look, we need to be very particular, very careful about over here. I'm talking about sounds. Earlier we have learned about letters, that A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters, and remaining B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. all these are consonant letters. But now I'm not talking about letters. Now we will work upon sounds. Okay, so we have to check the sounds, consonant sounds. Okay. सो बेटा आप हिंदी में पढ़ते हो स्वर और व्यंजन के बारे में आपने पढ़ा है कि स्वर क्या होता है, व्यंजन क्या होता है. तो जो स्वरों की आवाज है ए आ ई ई उ ऊ ए ओ औ, ये जो स्वरों की आवाज है बेटा, ये है आपकी वोवल साउंड्स. और जो आपके व्यंजन है कै खे गे चे छे जे टे ठे डे, ऑल दीज आर योर व्यंजन. ये जो आपके सारे व्यंजन है, ये सारी आवाज जाएगी बेटा आपके कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स के अंदर. ठीक है. सो अब हमें साउंड पे वर्क करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल अ कैट. Now C is a consonant letter, so we have used A, that is okay. और also ये consonant sound ही दे रहा है. A university. Now over here U is a vowel letter, but आवाज किसकी आ रही है? कॉन्सोनेंट की. यूनिवर्सिटी, यू य की आवाज पहले आ रही है जो कि एक कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है, इसलिए हमने ए का यूज किया है. सिमिलरली अ यूरोपियन. नाउ अगेन व्हेन वी लुक एट द स्पेलिंग, इट इज स्टार्टेड विद अ वोवल लेटर. वोवल लेटर ई से शुरू हुआ है, बट जब हम इसे प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं, इसे बोल रहे हैं, तो हमें साउंड किसकी आ रही है? कॉन्सोनेंट की. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर भी ए का यूज किया है. नाउ सेम Similarly, an is used with vowel sounds. An के लिए हमें किसका ध्यान रखना है? Vowel sounds का ध्यान रखना है. For example, an apple. तो यहाँ तो vowel letter भी है और sound भी है, तो हमने an का यूज किया है. Then an r. H is not a vowel letter. H is a consonant letter, but the sound coming is of vowel r. So that's why we have used an. MLA. M again is not a vowel letter, but the sound coming M. The sound coming is a vowel sound. That's why I have used over here and. So now students, we need to be very particular, very careful about the sounds. You need to you need to pronounce the word. And if the word is giving you the sound of a vowel, then it will be an, and if the sound is coming of consonant, then you will use a. Fine. Now let's look at the uses of indefinite articles. So indefinite articles, before we used it before a proper noun when it refers to an unfamiliar person, which means when we do not know someone, he is new to us and is a proper noun, with them we use indefinite article. For example, Mrs. Mehta has come to see you. Some Mrs. Mehta, someone who is Mrs. Mehta who is not familiar. So that's why we have used article A. Mrs. Mehta has come to see you. Next, before expressions of quantity and number. Okay, so with the expressions of quantity and number also we are using article, the indefinite article. It is a lot of noise, a lot of work, a lot of nuisance. Next is before nouns in exclamations. Okay, so we use indefinite article before nouns in exclamation sentences. What a shame! What a beautiful flower! What a nuisance! Okay, so over here also we use indefinite articles. Now we'll talk about definite article the. Where do we use definite article the? Before a noun which has already been mentioned once. Look at the sentence again. Before a noun which has already been mentioned once. जब किसी की एक बार पहले ही बात हो चुकी है, दोबारा बात हो रही है, then we'll use the particular article, the definite article the. Okay. She made a cake. The cake was delicious. Now see, she made a cake. So over here, firstly we have used indefinite article because we have talked about it for the first time. It is indefinite over here. That's why we said she made a cake. Now in the next line, the cake was delicious. Now it is in this line, this cake refers to the cake which has been already told about. Okay, so which she has made. So the cake was delicious. Second, before a noun referring to a particular person or thing. So this is very familiar to us. With particular person or things we use the. This is the boy who met me. Fine. The third one, before an adjective that acts like a noun. An adjective word which acts like a noun. We must have the poor. Before a singular noun that represents a whole class. Before a singular noun, be very particular about here, be very careful. A singular noun that represents a whole क्लास. जब वो पूरी क्लास के बारे में बता रहा है, एक सिंगुलर नाउन जब पूरी क्लास के बारे में, पूरी सभी के बारे में बात कर रहा है, then we use a article the with that. The sparrow is a tiny bird. Now the sparrow, it means all the sparrows, they are a tiny bird. Fine. Next, before superlatives, Sachin is the best player. Now with superlative degrees also we use the, all of you are familiar to it, you know it very well. Next, before proper nouns, the earth, now you know this that with proper nouns like the earth, the sun, the sky, we use the with them. With the names of mountains, the Himalayas, the Kanchenjunga, the Alps, the Mount Andes. So we use with names of mountain ranges, we use the. With the names of river, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Yamuna. With the names of holy books, the Bible, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran. Fine. With the names of newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Okay. So over here we use the article the. So we need to be very particular about this, that where we have to use article the. With the names of books, with the holy books, with the names of rivers, with the names of mountains, the names of oceans, and the names of newspapers as well. Fine. Next is before words like last, next, previous, only, following and same. So these are some particular words given to you, and what is it saying? With these words you have to use article the. Before words like last, next, previous, only, following and same. For example, my flat is of the same size as yours. My flat is of the same size as yours. Okay students, so this is the use of article a and article the uses of indefinite article and the uses of definite article. Now we will learn about omission of articles. It is also important to learn when or in which situation, in which cases we have to omit articles. So let's start omission of articles. So now we will learn about omission of articles. So where we have to omit article, that is where we not have to use article, any of the articles, that is a, an or the. Before names of persons, material noun, abstract nouns and nouns representing general categories. See, we will not use any article before names of persons. So we all know that हम किसी भी person के name से पहले कोई आर्टिकल का यूज नहीं करते हैं. We say Ram is an intelligent boy. We never say Ram is an intelligent boy. That is wrong. Okay? Ram is an intelligent boy. This is the right use of आर्टिकल, जहाँ पे हमें कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं लगाना है. दिस इज द राइट सेंटेंस कि हम राम से पहले कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं लगाएंगे. बट देयर आर सर्टेन केसेस इन विच वी कंपेयर one person to the other. Okay, in that cases we use article the with the person with whom we compare. हम कुछ केसेस ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे हम एक पर्सन को दूसरे पर्सन से कंपेयर करते हैं. उस केस में जिससे कंपेयर किया जाता है उससे पहले हम आर्टिकल दा का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मोहित इज द कालिदास ऑफ अवर स्कूल. मोहित इज द कालिदास ऑफ अवर स्कूल मीन्स कालिदास जी जो थे वो बहुत फेमस पोएट है, तो मोहित भी एक पोएट है हमारे स्कूल में. ओके, तो मोहित को हमने कालिदास से कंपेयर किया है कि वो कालिदास जैसा फेमस पोएट है. जैसे कालिदास फेमस थे वैसे ही वो कालिदास जैसा फेमस पोएट है हमारे स्कूल में. Got it? Next is with material nouns. With material nouns also will not use any article. For example, gold is a precious metal. Fine. Next with abstract nouns. With abstract nouns also we will not use any article. For example, honesty is the best policy. Next with nouns representing जनरल कैटेगरीज, जो जनरल कैटेगरीज नाउन्स बता रहे हैं उनके लिए भी हम यूज नहीं करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डॉग्स आर फेथफुल एनिमल्स. नेक्स्ट, बिफोर डेज ऑफ द वीक एंड डेट्स. डेज के साथ और डेट्स के साथ हम आर्टिकल ए एंड द का यूज नहीं करेंगे बेटा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी विल गो टू स्कूल ऑन मंडे. वो शील गो टू स्कूल ऑन मंडे. फाइन. सो हम ये नहीं कहते ऑन द मंडे. आई सबमिट माई प्रोजेक्ट बाय ट्यूजडे. मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी बाय द ट्यूजडे. सो विद द डेज एंड विथ डेट्स हम द या किसी भी आर्टिकल का यूज नहीं करेंगे. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ सीजन्स, लैंग्वेजेस, सब्जेक्ट्स एंड गेम्स. सीजन्स के नेम के साथ, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी सीजन, ओके, लैंग्वेजेस के साथ, सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ और गेम्स के साथ. आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले क्रिकेट. आई एम गोइंग टू सी अ फुटबॉल मैच. मैं दा का या ए एन दा किसी का भी यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. ओके, इंग्लिश इज माई फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. माई फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट इज मैथ्स. ओके, विद द लैंग्वेजेस आई कैन स्पीक हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश. ओके, he can speak French very nicely. So we will not use any article with the names of languages. Similarly with seasons, summer season is very hot. It is cold in winter season. So with seasons name also will not use any article. Next is with before names of countries, states, regions and cities. Again we will not use any article before names of any country, city, states or region. For example, Telangana is located in the south of India. Now we are not saying of the India, we are saying of India. So we will not use any article before name of country or state. Fine. Before titles indicating profession, if any profession is told, then we will not use any article. For example, I am going to meet Professor Mehta. So student, this is the omission of articles, that where we are not supposed to use article, and if you are given a blank over there, then we have to put a cross. It means we will not use any article in this blank, because this is omission. There is this article is omitted over here according to the rules. Fine. So let's quickly revise the video. What we have learned in this video? We have learned about definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the, which is used with countable, uncountable and plural nouns. It is a specified article. Then we have learned about indefinite articles. We use it with singular countable nouns. We have learned the uses of definite article as well as indefinite article, that we use indefinite articles in certain groups, for example with singular countable noun or a person which we are unfamiliar with, okay, or with the sentence of exclamation also we use article, or with the quantity or number we use article, we use article a or an. And indefinite article we use when we refer to a particular thing, when something is coming again, okay, or with the proper nouns, with the names of mountains, rivers, oceans and names of newspaper. Over there we are using article the. With superlative degree we are using article the. We have learned some words like last, following, next, etc. With those words also we are using article the. Okay students, and then we have learned about omission of articles, that where we don't have to use the article. These are with the names of person, with the names of material noun, abstract noun, with general categories, nouns that refers to general category, with the days of the week and dates, with the names of season, language, subject and games, with the names of countries, states, region and cities, and with titles indicating professions. So student, I hope you understood this video. If you have any query, you can call me anytime. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.